Hello everyone, this is Jahnavi signing in to this video. So today's video is all about how to earn Paytm amount in just few minutes. So for this we have an app called Big Cash. So app link is in the description box. Go through the link and download the app so that you will be getting instant money into your Paytm wallet. So this is the registration page. If you are registering, just give your name and give your valid email id. After giving your valid email id, it asks you for password, so give your password and confirm your password. After confirming your password, just click on register. So as I have already registered with this, so I'm just going to log in with this. So I'm giving my mail id and I am giving my password that I have given for this, and now I will log in this app. So after logging in, I'll be getting the first interface like this. So the first interface will be looking like this. So you can just see many games, a lot of games where you can play and win lot of cash. So if I just click on three lines and you can just see your profile. So this is my mail and this is the number which is verified, that is Paytm KYC verified number. So and this is where you can add your money and you can play amount. For an example, I have added 20 rupees right now. Just click on Paytm. So already have linked your Paytm number, so it directly takes into your wallet. So before I'm having 83 rupees and now it is updated to 103 rupees. So this is how to add your money, and also you can just use UPI, bank transfer, like that. You can also use your money to add here. So this is all about add cash. So now coming to invite and earn, which is very important to get lots of money. So we have many options like WhatsApp, Facebook, SMS, Instagram, like you can just share wherever you want. So this is all about invite and share. So if you invite, you'll be getting instant like according to the referring. If you just refer more persons, you'll be getting lots of money, and if you just refer one or two members, you'll be getting 50 rupees, like that. So I'm just going to show you this. So like this, you can just, if you just click on share, you will be automatically generating the links, so you can just send it. So this is all about, and also you can just see many apps. You can also share it in Instagram, WhatsApp, like this. For an example, I'm just showing you, but I'm not going to send to anyone. So like this, you can just share, and if you invite more people, you will be getting a lots of money, and also you'll be getting 10% of others money as well, as they have used your invitation code. And this is how you can just redeem. This is the main thing. You can just have Paytm, and minimum withdrawal is 50 rupees, and also you can just see terms and conditions. So first payment must be minimum 50 rupees. So after that you need to have 100, and then it is up to you. You can also withdraw 1 rupee as well. So this is all the terms and conditions, and if you just have 50 rupees, and you can just click on redeem, and the amount will be in 24 hours. So this is all my transactions till now. So you can just see these are my transactions till now. So these are the proofs that I have earned the money. So these are all the proofs that you can check. So actually this is very easy, and if you download this app from the description box, so you will be getting instantly 50 rupees, and you can just withdraw it directly. So guys, don't forget to download from the link, so you'll be getting 50 rupees instantly through my invitation code. So download it and enjoy 50 rupees like without any hard work, right? So yes, so you can just see the coins and the money right there. So these are the things. And now coming to the main interface, you can just see these ads are playing above, right? If you share on Facebook, you'll be getting 2 tokens, and if you share on WhatsApp, you'll be getting 2 tokens. And if you add money through Paytm or UPI, you'll be getting 250 rupees of cash back. Like this, we have many things. If you invite, you'll be getting 10,000 rupees like top invitators. So okay, these are the ads that are playing above, and you can just see many games. So for an example, I'm just showing you one simple game that how to play. So I'm just clicking on Fruit Ninja. So for this, I'm just starting first one, which is we need to pay for one token and we will be getting 1 rupee if we win. Okay, so I'm just starting the game. So it is actually very easy because winners up to 7 members, they'll be giving money. So yes guys, let's play it. Hope we will get a good money. So yes, yeah, don't forget to download the app from the description box, so you'll be getting instantly 50 rupees as well as 500 coins into your wallet. So this is all about, and you can just see I have won 1 rupee by just showing you on this video. I just got 1 rupee. So like this, as a simpleness, I just played now and I got 1 rupee. If I just have some concentration on this game, I will definitely used to get 10 to 15 rupees for one game. So this is all about this game. You can just see this, you have many things. Okay, if you pay 25 rupees, you can get 800 rupees. So and if you pay 150 rupees, you can get 1050 rupees. So you'll be having number of slots. You can just use this according to your wish. So these are the games that we have. This is Jahnavi signing out. If you do like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.